What book are we reading, Sean? Cars? What happens in the Cars book? Is there a crash? And do they race around the track? Yeah. What happens when you crash? Yeah? What do you say? Say, uh-oh. Uh-oh. What else do you say? Oh no. Hmm? What else happens? Oh. Cars have a big crash. Whoa.
What's going on in here?
They say, I want them to say, oh no.
Oh no! What about oh yes? Yes. Can you say church? Church? Church?
Sean, would you like to blow a kiss to everyone? Oh, you kissed the book. Oh, you're so sweet, but it went very blurry. Another kiss? You're kissing the book, are you? Focus on this. Oh, we got more money for the piggy bank, have we?
Alright, I gotta go.
Oh, okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah. Bye, son.
Kiss for Dad.
Yeah, Daddy's a bit of a pig.
Bye.
At least Daddy's clothes fit better.
Yeah. Yeah? Are you adding them up? What one's that? Is that 50 cents? What else have you got there? $1? Uh-oh. Where'd it go? Down by your leg here. There you go. Tar? Get down. Yeah? They all gone? Goodbye. Yeah, Mummy will put it away. Tar for Mum. You missed one though. Yeah, I'll put it in there for you. Okay. Time to get down. Oh, that's not how you normally get down, but good enough. Okay, Betty buys. Yeah.